This is a quick review of the Bose noise canceling 700 headphones. Comes in this nice case. It's very small and easy to carry. It's compact and fits in well with my office bag. As you can see, the headphones have a nice secure spot to mount into the case. Just like that. Leave that aside for now. So the headphones kind of turn in for storage, but they turn and line up. Now, one side of these will extend to fit your head, so you can get a nice, comfortable fit on the head. The band up here is spongy and very soft, making this a very comfortable set of headphones. And these holes are just big enough for your ears, so your ears will rest inside of this with the padded insulation on the outside. The noise canceling works great. I can't even hear my dogs barking in the house with the noise canceling on. And I've taken many work calls with the Bose 700 noise canceling headphones, and I come up loud and clear with my clients, and you know, the audio in the Bose is top notch. They're super easy to use. Basically, you just turn this on. You'll need to download an app on your phone, and they will automatically connect to your phone. You can also, there's some touchless controls, adjust the volume, and the charging plug is right down here on the bottom of the headphones. Put these back in the case for a second. Also, with your set of headphones, you're going to get the case, and you're going to get the charging cable. This is a C+ cable, as well as an audio jack cable. So if you're using a device that, you know, is not going to connect to Bluetooth, you can still use that device by connecting this audio jack into the bottom of the headphones. But a great utility, not just for listening to music or books, but also taking calls or working through a virtual meeting or work session. And that's the Bose noise canceling headphones 700. Been working great for me. I'm super happy with them, and they're a big upgrade over what I previously had. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.